feel like I always find so much on the site, and you can never go cartless. My name's Jess. I'm an associate buyer here at Zulily in the Columbus office, and I buy for hair. What product is going on the site, you know, what it looks like, the pricing of it, how it's gonna appear to the customer, and just making sure the shopping experience is so seamless. So I might be a little biased, but I love hair and beauty to shop. You might see a few things in the box that come from that area. I just moved, so I'm really into home decor as well. And with summer being around the corner, I love, you know, women's apparel. Can't go wrong with like a nice cute summer sundress. I love to shop all three of those categories. I always come to the problem where I have so many things in my cart, then I have to decide like, do you really need this, you know, things like that. But the prices are always so good, so it's hard to say no. Ooh, let's start with this looks super exciting. So this is a really fun hairbrush. I love the colors in it, and it just looks super exciting. And the waves are supposed to be good texture for your hair. My favorite part that I just saw is this little mirror on the back. So, you know, you're at the office, you're brushing your hair, you double check, you look good. Definitely a must. I think it was under like $10 too. I guess I'll go off the hair topic because we are in full force now. OLAPLEX is one of my favorite brands I've been hearing about. They are #1 for any kind of hair product. So I'm trying out their shampoo, their conditioner, and also Zulily had a deal of the day for a hair strengthener. So you pretty much use it once a week, let it sit in your hair, and it's supposed to just really help dryness with your hair from swimming and, you know, all those things. It's really gonna help. So, ooh, this is fun. I forgot I got this. This is just a simple little dress for the summer. Let's see. I could even wear it with this, you know, this right now. I think it'd be cute, right? Even like as like a beach cover up, or, you know, you're running to the pool, 4th of July, navy is a good play. I mean, don't get me started on how to style clothes. We'll be here for another 10 minutes. And this one I think is super similar if I remember. This is like a short sleeve version of the same dress, but it has pockets. God, it's so soft. It literally feels like you could sleep in it. You know, summer, it's hot, you know. Dark colors are always good to kind of disguise anything like that. So it's cute. They both are. So just super lightweight, good for any kind of day, night, good for traveling. I definitely plan on doing a lot of that this summer, so fun things so far. Drum roll, box number 2, because God forbid you only had one box, you know. So let's see what we have in here today. Ooh, I feel like it's Christmas. I'm really excited to get Rachael Ray pots and pans. I got the pans actually, not the pots. I got a 3 set because I love to cook different things. Like Friday nights, I love to make homemade pizzas. So this, you get 3 different sizes. I love the little grippies on the end actually, so I don't have to worry about burning my hands. Stick proof too, so I'm excited, yeah. I know, right? I feel like I grew up, my mom always had her stuff, so when I saw it, it was like very nostalgic to get some of it, but it's like, now it's my own home, so I can do it too. I think I'm most excited for, I wanna say the OLAPLEX 3 set, the shampoo, the conditioner, everything, only because I was traveling last week, I was in Seattle, and I feel like my hair isn't adjusted to the climate change yet, so I think this will kind of settle it, and they were raving about it, so I can't wait to like go home and try it out. I feel like I order something every day. I'm always in that like, you click on this, and then this, and then this, and then you have a box like this at your house, and what better on a, you know, to brighten up a day than a good box like this, right? Thanks so much for unboxing with me today. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure to stay tuned for some more unboxing in the future. Bye guys.